Here is a wonderful 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500, the full-size pickup that's strong, quiet, and dependable with the latest technology to keep you connected while you get the job done. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated driver's seat, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, locking limited slip differential, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes. Powerful versatility meets comfortable convenience in the Silverado 1500. Come in and drive it.